Hello gang, welcome to my channel. Sky Pilot here. This is a very sad and sorry looking Eachine UK 65. I love flying this thing so much that, yeah, I broke the frame. Had a couple of knocks and bashes and she well and truly snapped. So I also damaged a motor. I was easily able to purchase a new motor for it and also a brand new frame. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to whack it all back together, do a quick on the bench DIY repair. Let's get repairing. Thanks for stopping by, much appreciated. Smash that thumbs up and let's smash on the fast forward button and get this job done. Let's go. Camera works. Excellent. So after a little bit of wailing and gnashing of the teeth, I managed to get all the motors on. Didn't really have any troubles. However, I did extend my battery connector there, mainly so that I can use a 450 on here. I'm going to sit on there sideways and see how that goes. I also had to do some soldering on the VTX as a couple of wires came off, so luckily the trusty solder came in handy. Okay. I think we can safely go outside. There you have it gang, thanks to Emax. My Eachine UK 65 lives to fly another day. Let's head outside and see how she flies. Thanks for dropping by, gang. Huge success. Great stuff. Links down below if you need any of these bits and pieces for yourself. Otherwise, drop me a question, smash on that thumbs up, and I'll see you guys again real soon. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.